said before, Scott.
He's coming back at the end, but he gave up too much on the front end. And Dennis Anderson and Gravedigger is your racing champion in this huge 20-truck bracket in Houston.
Oh, I think his adrenaline is flowing now. He's on it, and we'll see what he's got to do here in bonus time.
Well, Barry, you're part of it when we talk about the future of the sport as we do go into bonus time.
You know, look, he's really going to go out there and shred his stuff. He's doing some great donuts right now. The first ones we've seen all night.
JP Ruggiero in for Team Scream and Wrecking Crew. Didn't last long, but gave the fans some thrills, Barty.
Wow, that was a wow moment back.
Truck will be shut down if he gets in trouble, but also, right there you see it went off for apparently no reason. He's got a reset button, and it tells you Alex Blackwell is behind the wheel, and he will tie for the lead. We got a tie for the lead. Captain's Curse equals hook score. And Frank Dremel is underway.
Oh, he's over. Come on, save it. Oh, he tried, Scott. It's taken those hard landings pretty well. Oh, that's huge. On the downside, I tell you what, that looks big, and it is. But
in the air that long, he needs a pilot license. Wow. Hey, that's going over and saying, Max D, take that. Stop him, but I think it's going to cost him a chance at another victory. And Ryan, over the last year, has more major freestyle victories than anybody. It's not going to happen here in Houston.
Well, he's already over, but momentum carried him back.
28 is the score to beat. And that double down trophy, the only person that get it is Dennis Anderson, because he's got to win racing and freestyle. You know, he was in bonus, Barry, but I don't see him getting many.
Scott runs into a little bit of a problem.
Yeah, if it wasn't for this, I think we were looking at a new leader. But again,
guys back at the shop and at the Georgia Dome here, they had that little incident with the Avenger, but you can't tell the truck's not any worse for wear, and the truck is really getting after it.
That's not the Cyclone, Frank. That's the spin cycle. He's in, baby. Come close to an opening like that. That's impressive.
No, that's the key, you guys. Oh,
now that's not impressive.
I was just getting ready to say you've got too much.
In the bonus time with an impressive run thus far from Spider-Man. But it will end there. Listen to him hit that throttle. Look out! Wait a minute, he's not done. Who needs four wheels?
That are harmed. It's looking like he's having a rough time of it. Boy, he just keeps on getting after the driveline suspension. He got Tyson Swinghart too. Put in many hours on his truck.
They will not double down, and I say that because you can't leave 15 seconds on the clock. You're out of Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina. Is this the run that will take the championship in Atlanta? Now that's a finish. And it comes as bonus time is ending. Oh, start to finish like the punch count in boxing. There we go, Scott, look out! Hang on. Nicely done.
Here you go. Oh, he's going to save it. He's going to save it. No way. He did save it, Scott.
Dan's trying. There's no doubt about that. That was a nice lead without a lot of ramp to work with. But he gets a little more probably in this last 30 seconds of regulation to get the game for bonus.
There it is right here, Scott.
Yes. Beautiful positioning on the sky wheelie from Dan Radonis there to that front wheel over.
Oh, look at that, Scott. That's how you do it, man.
He has come out strong the way he needed to swing.
Oh, man.
But this is what I was about to say couldn't have happened, and indeed I think the truck may not be able to continue. All three of them sell out. I've said it before, but you know, if you give up a link to him.
Wait.
McDonald made the ground up.
It's that side, remember? It spun him out over there.
Wow.
It pushed him out. That lane is shoving people out.
McDonald made up the ground, and you're right. We're going to see it on the replay. Gravedigger comes off consistent every round, and Dennis Anderson is Mr. Champion.
You know, the key in freestyle here, Scott, is transition. Transition and throttle rhythm. And something Cody, I can tell already, is really good at is keep that truck going. Look at that great.
And his notch and his run.
Oh, look at hit the brake. There you go. Save that thing, Dustin. Come on, keep it on forward. There you go. We gotta do something here. There it is. Double. Cleared. Oh, Kimball short. Kimball's flat. Look at that. Oh, Chad.
You know that comes right as the time is ending, though.
Yeah.
What is going on in freestyle?
Without a doubt, man. Maybe that hood off the truck helped him out here. Great, bro. He's going to keep on going. It's 30 seconds left. the truck was with something. It's got the trailer there. Oh no, Adam!
What a
Are
save.
you kidding me?
What a save.
Look at the hair! Are you kidding me? He's gonna keep on
This is
going.
for the fans. The scores are in.
Oh no! He did that! He did! Keep it on it! Keep it on! He almost did that just for the fans.
Well, let me get this right.
Gosh, there's great seats up here, Scott. I know how. Oh my God! Here we go again!
Mark McDonald looking like a rocket ship taking.
Here we go. Talk about the backflip. Oh! That was a corkscrew.
That was a corkscrew more than a headbutt.
Because of that. That corkscrew might have just put him over. Nah. What Adam did in the last run. Oh! He does it again! This is the one thing great about Monster Jam's got. You never know what's going to get down here. The tickets are going on sale already for next year.
That's Pocket, right? Pocket put the wheel off.
Don't keep it going.
No, that's Dennis's truck.
Oh.
That's the new one. Tampa or California, all the great places to go. You don't know
Look
what's
at Dennis
coming up.
go! Down to 3 wheels, he's not giving up. Talk about determination. Right there, my friend. Look at that. It's gonna bury that thing right in the Rain J Stadium. Oh, look at this! Back over on all fours. Charlie Puck.
Should win the bonus time with a nice wrap-up. Well, she's not going to get much bonus time.
Oh,
Listen
man.
to this crowd.
In there, and I can tell you this, Scott, when we get out of those trucks, and if you feel like you worked for it, you did a good job. Look at that, standing up.
This team, with his youth and his just absolute bravado.
He's doing a great job, man. We were sad losing to Tom, but, man, you know, Morgan does a great job. Oh, no!
That will not get him the points he needs. He does not even feel.
Oh, Dad, stop. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Mark McDonald has made his name because when he got. Oh, hang on! Save!
Nice controls. Impressive that he didn't.
He will fill his bonus time here in just a couple of seconds.
That was pretty cool. Save it, save it.
Nice!
No!
I spoke too soon. I thought it looked like it was coming back up and then. Nice!
Nice big air early. The judges like that. Impressive.
Combination from the 2009 Monster Jam World Freestyle Champion.
Incredible!
And look at the slap wheeling!
Wow! Pull it off, Damon.
And he's saying it!
Nice!
Are you kidding me? Monster Energy has 70,000 on their feet! And he's not done!
Oh, he's broke the rear. Let's see what he can do.
Doesn't matter. All this is for the fans. All the scores are in.
Wow. In bonus time. He went around another obstacle to hit it sideways. There you go.
Doesn't matter. It's for the fans. Scores are already in. What do they say? Well, we're going to get their decision, and it is the legend. Again, and you're under control. You're fine. So let's come back onto the track.
He is going big, and oh, tough for Tom. Too early, didn't get into his bonus time in that.
Wait a minute.
How did he pull out a second truck?
It's two grave diggers. Now, let me just say this right now.
Another truck going, you often can't see them. I don't know if they.
Riding close. Lee O'Donnell hike up a little bit.
Final turn.
Here it comes. Come on, come on. Oh, yeah, he blew him away. That last turn coming around the right side seems to kind of bobble the front. There you go, big air.
In case you haven't seen Zombie before, he started this night with 2 arms, lost one in racing. Still got.
Look at him. And he is calm and cool. This guy is so talented and so much. Everything that he does great. Look at him, my man. Got a little rebound wheelie there, a little slap wheelie. On board, you see him. He's holding on over there, driving with his right hand. And he's wheeling this thing, man. That left hand, you got to hang on.
Obsessed over these double down trophies. He can win one here if he wins freestyle.
Yes. I hope he doesn't have. Look, he's got a rear steer problem. His rear steer is not self-centered. Oh, come on, babe. What do you got? Bring it, bring it. Oh, no. What? Gotta be kidding me.
That's
beautiful.
That's
Beautiful.
unbelievable.
He's got a rear steer problem. I there over and over.
Well, yeah, he may be taking the attitude, listen, I got to outfly Ryan to start with.
Yes.
Bonus time.
But I'm telling you, okay, well, right here, this might pull him to the top.
no, a backflip that landed on Gravedigger. Oh, what? I'm going to tell you, if he could.
Easy, they were using that downside to keep the truck settled. This is it right here. What's it gonna be?
I don't know. Where are the numbers? That's the question. We also have a photo finish camera that the timers use on that finish line to back up.
Parts about having a mechanical difficulty is not being able to, not being able to see the ramps. So his situation tickets of people that came with him. So he's got a lot of people here to impress besides the judges and the monsters.
Are you kidding me?
He's seen what Cam did and he capitalized on it. Went huge. Oh my God. Oh, nice. Big old cross thread across the stadium floor. Come on. Oh, nose in. Get that hood out of here. I want to see better. Is what the brakes are sparking. The rotors are on fire right now. He is going all out. Oh. Oh, man. Oh. Not quite enough.
Guys.
Oh man, we got a big target on the back from the Max D team. But if anybody can take him out, it's Dad right here. Look at that save. Oh yeah. That's right.
Gravedigger, it may cost Max D. Oh, but look at him come back.
Oh yeah.
Look at him come back.
Nice little slide cone to finish up. You don't need that right rear for donuts.
Wow. This year than Ryan Anderson, the son of a digger. Didn't get the big one at the World Finals, but look at that.
That's cool. There's points. Unique stuff like that. He does.
Can he add a few more points?
Oh, keep it going.
Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
Flying almost
Nice.
the length of Texas Stadium is Max D and Neil Elliott. Chief Daniel Crawford. One of the hardest working guys in showbiz.
Yeah, he is. He is. Oh! Come back. Come back.
Got it! Got it!
He's not done.
Look at that. Look
Beautiful,
at that.
beautiful.
You're done.
Dennis Anderson and Gravedigger will head to BKT Tires bonus time. And he's got a big lead now. Oh, Tom's in trouble. Oh, my goodness.
Look at that. That's insane. Looks like Adam's going to be the winner for sure. Tom is starting freestyle early. Insane. Tom hit that wall in the chicane. There it goes.
How can you donut on a ramp? That's where he started.
Then when he can, he can do it.
Oh, my
Oh, listen outside the cab right there.
No, because I'm dizzy. What a sight. I always say to newcomers.
Oh.
He got it.
I
He got
can't
it.
believe he went for that. I would in my head. Look. Oh, he's going big. Oh,
Biggest air of the night will end the run.
No, he will not.
Whoa,
No, he will not.
What a run from.
Basically.
Oh, my.
Look at that. That was like a burn.
Oh, look.
He used it as a burn.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. That's what we need. That's what we need.
Stay on it. Oh, no.
Don't quit. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Container. Scott, correct me if I'm wrong, but it almost looks like he's dissecting him, like he got to work the outside. Now he's working her inside.
Yeah, he looks like he's going diagonal. Oh, can he get that back around?
Nice
Oh,
save.
there you go. He's going to fill the
Jump, but here,
Right,
like
oh,
that right
man.
there. Is he
He's
gonna?
going back over.
He's got it. He's got it.
All right.
It looks like he's got one. The back left wheel's not pulling. What's he gonna do here?
Oh!
Yep, see that? That's what it did. Spun him sideways, but it's gonna bite him. It's gonna bite him. What's he gonna do? Oh!
Still going.
There it is.
About unused backward ramp. Almost over rotates it, but he makes it.
Oh my God! No way! Scott! It's still going.
No, there's no way.
See how he was
Can't take much
slide
off of
up.
that.
No way!
Wow. There are moments in history.
Another one!
No.
It was a half pipe something. I don't know what it was.
What's going on here? What?
Did he just attempt to? That's an attempt of a reverse backflip.
Is that a front flip?
Then you got to give it.
Championship in 2000. He has not won this competition since. You're on board with Dennis Anderson and Gravedigger.
Oh Will it do?
for sure, and he's taking it to the top right now.
I know you and I spent a lot of time with Damon over in Europe, and I think, beautiful work here.
Oh, man. Look at that. Did you recover? Oh.
Unbelievable. You know, that's really where Damon cut his teeth within the muscle.